Alright, Namaste everyone and welcome back to our interview series where we are solving bunch of coding, non-coding questions for interviews of data science, data analyst and machine learning jobs. So today we have an SQL question from Amazon and the difficulty level is easy. So this is an interesting question and it will test your fundamentals a bit, right? So what does the question say? Given the table dim customer, so it has customer dimensions, it's mentioned here. Given this table, write a query to return all customers by customer ID, return all customer IDs who are violating the primary key constraint. Okay, so what is a primary key constraint? That every value in a primary key must be unique. So if it is violating that, then probably some values are repeating or some values are not unique, right? That is those customers who are present more than once in the customer dimension table. Okay, we've understood that. So for example, if customer ID C123 is present thrice, then the query should return C123 and 3, the number of times it is occurring, right? Let's look at the table as well. So customer ID, we need this and we need to find how many times it is occurring, right? So we need to find customer IDs which are violating the primary key constraint. Okay, so let's do a select star on dim customer. Now we need customer IDs which are violating, so we need cust ID and count of cust ID, and we will also need to group by on cust ID. That is how we will get the correct count, right? So this, let's see what this gives us. Yes, this gives us unique customer IDs and the count of their occurrences. Now we can see that this customer has violated the primary key constraint, but this one has not because it is only occurring once, right? So we need to filter out the ones which are occurring more than once basically. So let's put a constraint here having count cust, or let's put an alias just to make it neat. Count customers having count customers greater than 1. Bingo. I think this should be correct. Let's check it out. Boom. This is the correct answer. And I think we've solved this. So let's just go through it once again. What we did was, from the table, first we grouped by on the customer ID and then we outputted the customer ID and the number of time it is occurring, right? Then we put a condition clause saying that give us return the customer IDs that are occurring more than once, basically which are violating the primary constraints, right? And we have the answer with us. Alright, thank you everyone and I'll see you in the next one.